Okay, if you're watching this, that means you've tried all of the problems and you're just checking your work to see if you're right. H2S, S in the middle, hydrogen, hydrogen, with 4 dots around sulfur. These dots around sulfur makes this polar. So if this is polar, that means what holds this together in a solid or liquid form is dipole. SiH4. SiH4 has Si in the middle, H, 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 and H with single bonds all around. Now silicon has no dots around it, so this is nonpolar or pure. Now, all nonpolar molecules have dispersion forces. So SiH4 is dispersion. We're going to skip argon, come back to that later. CH4 or CH3OH, notice that it has OH at the end, and this right here is a hydrocarbon. So a hydrocarbon with OH on the end, this is an alcohol. And according to your notes, you know that all alcohols have dipole forces. NF3. NF3 has nitrogen in the middle, fluorine, fluorine, fluorine. And nitrogen is going to have 2 dots right above it so that it can have 8. Now those 2 dots around nitrogen will make this polar. So this is a polar molecule, therefore dipole it's going to be its IMF. NH3. NH3 is going to be nitrogen in the middle, hydrogen, 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 with 2 dots around nitrogen. Now, this is also polar. However, you'll notice that this is hydrogen and nitrogen together. And whenever you have hydrogen and nitrogen, just hydrogen and nitrogen, then this is H bonds or hydrogen bonding. This is not hydrogen bonding because this is H and Si. Remember, hydrogen bonding is H and N, or H and O, or H and F. This is not hydrogen bonding because this is H and S. Now back to argon. Argon, what we know about argon is that it's a noble gas. What that means is that at room temperature, argon is a gas. So solid argon or liquid argon has to have some pretty weak forces to hold it together. Anytime something's a gas at room temperature, dispersion forces hold them together when they're a solid or a liquid. So H2S is dipole, SiH4 is dispersion, argon is dispersion, CH3OH is dipole, NF3 is dipole, and NH3 is hydrogen.